Hi. One of the great things about self-publishing is that you have complete control over every aspect of the book, including its price. And we believe that you should also be able to apply discounts on the book on the platforms that it's listed on. To make the whole thing easier and to help you control the price of the book on important distribution channels at the same time, we created the Promo Manager. This tool is a very nifty control room for the price of the book on flipkart.com and amazon.in, and it can be accessed through your author dashboard. I've logged into an author dashboard here, and I'm going to scroll down and find the book for which I'd like to apply the discount. I'm going to click on the link to the Promo Manager for this particular book. As I enter the tool, it gives me all the details I need to be aware of to set discounts. First up is the MRP of the book. Next is a maximum discount that I can apply for the book. The tool calculates this after taking into account the production cost, MRP, and distribution costs. Third is the price of the book at the maximum discount percentage. And fourth is the number of days the Promo Manager discounts can be applied for. The maximum number of days a Promo Manager can be used for is 30, and each time a campaign is run, the number of days gets deducted from here. Now, to start a campaign, enter the dates you wish to set the campaign for. I'm going to set the campaign from the 19th of June to the 21st of June. Next, enter the discount percentage you wish to apply. We encourage you to apply the maximum discount applicable during the days of the campaign, as this would help bring more attention to your book. The tool will then calculate the price applicable at the discount you've chosen. When the Promo Manager is activated, the author would not receive royalty on books sold from amazon.in and flipkart.com. Now, click on Create Campaign, click OK, and that's it. Our team will then schedule the campaign with Flipkart and Amazon. So that's all you need to do to run a discount campaign for your book on flipkart.com and amazon.in. Do let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.